Got a fresh new dresser project here. It's solid oak and it's in pristine condition other than just a little bit of wear on top, which I'm not concerned about. This is not a vintage dresser, but it's sort of a replica to make it look like it's very, very well built for what it is. Dovetails on both ends, front and back. It does have the dreaded plastic drawer stoppers. If you see my other videos, I hate these things. I take them off every single time. But wood drawer slides and they're wide too, which I like. There's way more stability when they're wider. Since the top is showing somewhere on here, more than likely I'll go ahead and just sand the top down natural and stain it and paint the rest of the dresser. Haven't decided if I'm gonna keep the drawer pulls. I may and just update them to finish them and make them look nicer. So follow along in the process of this dresser makeover and you can see the final before and after on this one. So on this dresser project, I actually decided to switch out the drawer pulls, and here's why. Take this out. This is the back side of the drawer pull. These are 3-inch center to center. And I actually have some gold drawer pulls that are 3-inch center to center. I have 16 3-inch gold square drawer pulls. So these would actually work really great on this dresser. I might go a dark charcoal on the dresser and put these drawer pulls on it. Last one sold pretty quick and for a fair amount of money. I think it was over $500. Go ahead and take these drawer pulls off. All right, let's get busy. Woo-hoo! That was fun. All right, removed all the drawer pulls. Now we're gonna take the drawers out, label on the back with a felt tip pin where they go, and put them on the drawer rack, and then I can sand them, mask them when it comes time to painting and stuff like that. All right, top left, top right, top middle. We're gonna go ahead and remove these plastic drawer stoppers. Literally, I just made a video like 2 days ago saying how I do not like these. They get in the way, they scratch on the bottom of the drawers, they cause all kinds of issues, so I remove these. I remove the plastic drawer stoppers every single time. Change of plans. This top coat is actually coming off really easy. I mean, not extremely easy, but I'm gonna go ahead and sand everything down. As you notice, the top is sanded down. I was gonna stain the top a lighter color and paint the lower part of the dresser, including the drawers, but I changed my mind. I'm gonna stain like a Jacobine or black. I got the drawers already inside the spray booth. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the centers of these 3 top drawers gonna be natural. So all black and natural face plates on the top 3 drawers with hardware on it. Let's go ahead and get started. Getting ready to put a clear protective top coat on the dresser and the drawers. So let's go ahead and put it in the spray booth. So I just sprayed the first coat of sealer on the drawers, and I'm not happy with it. I don't like how it's super dull. I like when I first sprayed it, how it looks super shiny. I don't typically spray gloss or semi-gloss. I usually go satin. But on this dresser right here, I think I'm gonna go semi-gloss, and it'll bring out a lot more luster. I'm super happy how the top came out on this dresser after sanding it, staining it, and applying several top coats of clear.